How did political cartoons address states' rights during the Civil War? Political cartoons during the Civil War era played a significant role in shaping public opinion about states' rights. These illustrations used vivid imagery and satire to comment on the heated debates surrounding this issue. States' rights were a core topic that divided the Union and the Confederacy, and cartoons often depicted this principle as a threat to national unity. For instance, many cartoons illustrated the Union as a protective eagle or a nest of eggs representing the states. The northern states were shown as strong and healthy, while the southern states were often depicted as cracked or rotten eggs. This imagery suggested that the southern states, by asserting their rights to secede, were harming the nation and promoting rebellion. The struggle between federal authority and states' rights was personified in cartoons featuring Abraham Lincoln and Jefferson Davis. These characters were often shown in a tug-of-war over a map of the United States. Lincoln represented the push for abolition and the preservation of the Union, while Davis stood for separation and independence for the southern states. This visual metaphor highlighted the intense political conflict over whether states could ignore federal law. Some cartoons took a more direct approach by labeling secessionists as traitors. This emphasized the Unionist viewpoint that states' rights could not justify rebellion or the dissolution of the country. The use of exaggerated caricatures and animals helped simplify complex political arguments, making them accessible to a wider audience. Additionally, these cartoons linked states' rights to other pressing issues like slavery and abolition. Many warned that defending states' rights was often a cover for maintaining slavery and undermining national unity. This connection reinforced the message that the federal government needed to assert its authority to end slavery and preserve the nation. Political cartoons were widely distributed in newspapers, taverns, and public spaces. They served as propaganda tools to rally support for the Union cause and discredit the Confederacy's justification based on states' rights. By simplifying the constitutional debates, these cartoons framed states' rights as a danger to the survival of the United States. Overall, Civil War political cartoons portrayed states' rights as a divisive doctrine leading to disunion and rebellion. They effectively communicated the idea that preserving the Union was essential, using symbolism and narrative to engage the public during a time of crisis.